Well, there's one coat of true oil on it. Oh my, I like that a lot. That's one coat. I'm probably going to put 3 or 4 coats on it. But I'll let this one dry overnight. Tomorrow morning, when I get up and have my coffee, I sand it down with some 1200, and I put the second coat on. And the second coat and the third and fourth, they always dry within a couple of hours. So this one's almost done. I need to put an edge on it and make a sheath. I love that wood. I just thought I'd show you the 3 I have finished so far. This is spoken for. This is spoken for. This one may or may not be. Actually, there's a fella locally. If he wants it, I'm going to sell it to him. If not, there's 2 other people that want it. And this, I don't have sheaths for any of these, but I've got one more that I'm making. And when I finish that one, then I'm going to go into my leather shop and make some sheaths. And I may take a few days after that and go work on my simplicity and get the Husqvarna put together. Today's Christmas Day, so why am I in here doing Christmas videos on Christmas Day? Anyway, I just thought this is Damascus, and of course that's the stone-washed blades. I sure like that wood. That's bird's eye maple with bird's eye maple liners. I know that sounds crazy, but the bird's eye that I had was too thin, so basically I just doubled it up. Okay, it's almost time to eat. I'm going out. This is the Damascus, and I have sanded it all that my hands are capable of sanding it. I got to sand it up to 220. Now, and 220 is as far as I'm going to go. My hands just can't handle sanding anymore. Now I'm fixing to go heat treat it, temper it, clean it up. Who knows? Maybe get some handles glued onto it. We'll see. But this I'll show you this in another video. I got a bunch of other things to do, so I may not get to this while this is tempering. I'm gonna do a couple other things. All right, let me go heat treat this and get it in the tempering oven and see what kind of time I got left. Okay, it's out of tempering. Now I got to clean it up real nice, and put it in some acid. Give it an acid bath. And then clean it up again. And let's see. I got my handles just about ready. In the meantime, I cut out another Texas rumble. And one of these days, I'm going to show you from start to finish how I make a knife. That might be a multi-part series. It might be with just, here, I'll show you. Just drawing it out. This is a caddo. This is 1/4 inch. I haven't figured out a way to get 2 Texas rumbles out of the 1/4 inch. I only want to make Texas rumbles out of 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is just too thick for a caddo. but I have no choice, I think. Yeah, well, I've got plenty of 1/4 inch left. Okay. And soon, when I reach 55,000 subscribers, I'm going to make 5 dinner skinners and give them away for my 55,000 subscriber contest. And anyway, get back to what I was talking about. I'll do a start to finish. I'll get my tripod up, and it's going to be a long series of videos, 15 minutes each or thereabouts. And just show you the steps that I go through. All right, let me get to cleaning this here up and dunking it in some acid. And I may actually get it cleaned up in time to put the handles, get epoxy handles on today. We'll see. Back to work. I'm not going to mess with this anymore today. All right, I got it cleaned up. I'm fixing to go dunk it in the acid. I'm going to give it about 7 or 8 minutes. That's what it's going to look like, only much, much darker. Yeah. All right, see you in about 8 minutes. Well, here it is. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I like the pattern. But I do not like the amount of work involved in this. That was days longer of sanding than I anticipated. I'll tell you what, I think I may dunk this in the acid for a second time. Because see if I can get the contrast to be a little more darker. Yeah, I'm going to do that before I put the handles on. All right, that's much better. Got some interesting figure. Okay, I'm going to get the handles epoxied on tonight. And tomorrow I'll be able to sand on them. I've got this drilled, mounted on my bevel grinder. And tomorrow I will grind the bevels on this Texas Rumble. Good Lord, Brad, it's your own knife. Texas Rumble. Okay, take a break and get these epoxied on. I'm going to acetone the handle and clean it all up.
Oh, it's
That's
beautiful.
gorgeous. Good Lord, it looks like the sky is on fire.
Isn't it beautiful?
Christmas morning.
Merry Christmas to all of Brad's subscribers. And thank you for all the prayers and well wishes. And thank you for praying for Brad when Brad was sick. It worked. Thank you. And thank you, God, for sending your son so we may
Have everlasting life.
I don't know.
I don't know. Is that Toto? Huh.
And thank you, God, for sending your son so we may be forgiven of our sins and have eternal life.
Man.
And look on this side of it. Do a pan.
A pan. What are you, a director now?
I am. I almost said prescribers. We've said that word so many times as a joke.
How many prescribers do you have?
Yeah. I worked at a pharmacy many moons ago, and people would come in and say, I need my subscription. And then when Brad got a YouTube channel, I started calling them
My subscribers, she was calling my prescribers.
prescribers.
And then we say it so often that we just forget that we're
forget.
using the wrong word.
He got a haircut. He's about 2 pounds lighter.
Got his hair did.
Yeah. And you know, I like clipping them because they get calm and they come in the house quicker. Instead of me out here screaming for them at 4 o'clock in the morning.
That is a beautiful, beautiful sunrise right there.
So something running in the leaf backyard. It's either
We yell for Toto.
no, it's just here's our animals that we see on a daily basis that run everywhere. It's coon, cat, fox, squirrel.
An occasional stray dog.
Coon, cat, fox, and squirrel. Okay, you want it? Oh, well, Sunny never came out. Come on, Maurice. She got a haircut. Leave her alone. Okay, get a picture of Sunny. She had a haircut yesterday too. She looks pretty cute.
Well, we are having Christmas dinner over here where that car is today. We're cooking steaks on the grill, and that's our Christmas. It's going to be in the 70s today. It was in the 70s yesterday. Lord, that is such a beautiful sunrise. I used to stare at that all morning. When I used to drive a truck, this is the only thing that used to keep me awake driving through the night was getting to see the sunrise. Okay, back to work, everybody.
Justin passed this fence just on the blacktop. Goes down around the road, goes down around the hill, all of that. Come all the way up to the fence. There's nothing up here.
Well, we just had Christmas dinner outside here in Texas, and what is it, 71 or 2?
1 or 2 at least, yeah.
Billy, how old are you?
24.
24. He's not a child.
It's
So we have
1:30 in the afternoon and it's 72 degrees.
we have 3 or 4. How many dogs we got here? 5, right?
It's 5 dogs.
5 Christmas angels.
Yeah.
That's Reba. Y'all
And
haven't
look
seen
at
Reba
Reba.
yet.
Reba's beautiful.
She's beautiful and
she's
got a
so
really
smart.
good temperament.
I'm gonna give her. Can I have her? She have one more
That's
piece.
Billy's dog.
Look how sweet she is. Oh, she's so sweet. She's not a grabber like this one here.
And there's
Oh,
Breezy,
Good. She doesn't.
and there's
No, she doesn't.
Sonny. I don't have anything. And Toto's here somewhere.
He's over here.
And Lucy Bell. Toto's over there. Here comes Lucy Bell.
Lucy, you can't have any.
Merry Christmas, y'all. And Billy is 24.
I mean, y'all want